Today I'm going to teach about the email marketing. Email marketing is nowadays a very best powerful digital marketing tool. So there are, if it is abroad, they are mostly using that email marketing. I mean the European countries. They are promoting their product or service. They are promoting via the email marketing. So email marketing, we are using the best software which is Brevo. Okay, Brevo, you just type it Brevo email marketing. Okay, you can find out the Google email marketing tool. This is a they provide us a free one as well. Click on it here. Okay, there are option there we can sign up free and we can use it for free. Okay, if you go along with the plan, you can go along with the plan as well. If you want to go along with the more ones, okay, more emails per day. Okay. So you click for free. It asks to sign up via your Gmail account. You select your Gmail account. It has been you will be able to register via your Gmail account. Okay. Okay, after that it asks you if you have any website, it asks your website. You can provide the name of the website. After that you can get the dashboard. That's the thing. Simple registration stuff. You don't need to worry about that. Very simple registration stuff. We have to make it in order to log in. Okay, so that if you want to, here I have login. This is my website I have provided here. So here, okay, if you have any confused, you go to here. I am going to explain it here. Just Brevo. Email marketing, you type it, click on it, sign up for free. Okay, now here we will be able to sign in. So this one should be the free one. You can click on it. Okay, now here you go along with your sign up pin, you go along with your Gmail account. Okay, or then only you can you don't worry about, you no need to register. You just, if you have a Gmail account or if you are a Apple account, you can sign in via these two accounts. Okay, so I have a Gmail account, so I have sign up with this my Gmail account. All the Gmail credential will be go to this side and we'll be able to use it. Okay, that's it. The simple stuff you have to do it. After done this, you can just open up the dashboard, look like this. It's very simple. This is how we have simply registration the Brevo app. Okay, we have creating the very stylish emails. Now here what I'm going to do is, here in order to do the email marketing, you have to go to the marketing. The marketing subject, you have a template. Here where you have designed your template, email template. The email must, when you send the template to your client, they must be attractive. So yeah, when you create the template, you must create as an attractive template. So here where you have create the template, right? So click create template. Here the template means this is the email you are sending, your email template name and subject. So I'm going to, here you have write test, name it as, okay, sub. Here I'm going to write my first test. This is a test emails. Okay, my test. These are subjects I have put it here. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the designing part. When you go to the designing, so these are the predefined templates are there. But there are a lot of templates. These are the email templates. This is meaning of the email templates. You have to go to the template gallery. They are here. When you want to when you're doing the e-commerce website, we have to sending the email market to the customers. So you have to sending look like this. These are the template you already seeing in your mail. For example, if you are subscribed some other platform, eBay, like that, you will be get the notification mails look like this. Okay, you can getting the mails. Since you can getting the mails after you registered websites, since you can getting the mail the look like this. These how that they are designing that emails look like this. Okay, you have go along with your own design, or else you can go along with this custom one. Okay, this is the custom designs. So everything's are there. If you select these templates, everything's there. So you have to put into that your own photos here. Okay, this is why if you have any photos, products photo, you have put it here. You have to here according to here your company logo, company emblem. You can put it over here. Here, if you don't need this one, you can click on it here. Click delete. Here you have to this one this section we have this is a section we have to delete them. We don't need this section. If only the keep logo, you have to put it here. Click on it here. Here you have to change it to your logo. Okay, you have to change it to your logo. Here setup, and you can set up your logo. Okay, your image, or you can send the image also as well. Okay, here. Okay, you have to upload the image over here. Okay, so here that's we have there are a lot of choice. Here we have to change the photo. This photo. Click on here, select the image. It also select here. You can select any image. So I want to select this image. Okay, if you want to select the image from the computer, you can click insert. This insert it. Okay, this insert it. Okay, so if you replace it, here you have upload. Click on it, upload. You can select your computer image. You will be able to select your computer. So this is how you can do it. Okay. Okay, that's we have to change the image look like this way. Here you can easily you can type whatever this here. You have to type it here. My test is ready. I'm going to write it here. So here also you will be able to change the products, images, and everything, prices, all things you will be able to edit. If you want to change the color, this all things we have do step by step. Don't worry about that. This all the design, how to design it, all things we have to do step by step. Okay, so at the moment you have to understand this how we have to do it. Simple. Okay, after that, after done the design, you have to click save and quit. Now you can see this is your email templates. This is your email template. When you send that email to your customer, it's going to look like this way. Okay, this is how we have do the things. Okay, so if you want to go for the custom one, so if you want to make the custom one, okay, you can. This is the template you are designed. So we have to go to the template design. So finally, what is the template you are designed? It will be show it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now we have how to create the templates we have shown. If you want to create another custom one, you have to go to the click create custom template and you can create the custom one. This is how we have to do it. Okay, so we have done the basics part today. Okay, so what is a Brevo, which is a based on the email template, how to create the Brevo account. So Brevo account, we have to first we have to select the template, which template you are going to show the product to your customer. These are the things we have discussed here today. Okay, so in my future videos I will explain how to create the email campaign, all the things, how to send the email, how to schedule the email. So everything we have to teach from scratch. Please be watch. Thank you for watching.